Forecast. Are there any showers out there this morning?
It's just a little yucky out there. I call it a sorry excuse for rain because there's just like a little mist in the air. Here's a look with our sky cams, and we're seeing the sun come up, but a bit of cloud cover out there. And because of the cloud cover, we are getting just a little bit of a sprinkle in the air. Live first alert Doppler radar. We are seeing a little bit of a peak in those clouds, so some of you are getting in on some sunshine. But overall, I do expect to see partly to mostly cloudy skies with a very slim chance of a downpour. But downpour is expected this afternoon. I'm timing it out for you coming up when we come back right here at WLBT News This Morning. Time now 6:06 and 74 degrees.